the bubble note, the trim tabs each get 2 or 4 anodes that are pretty worn. One of them is very loose and I tightened it up. It also gets a 2-bolt, looks like B12 transom zinc. The lift platform gets what looks like 4 of the 2-bolt, looks like Tierra tab zincs, but I'm going to look at all those. So I'm going to show you those zincs real quick so I can have it for my video. We're going to start with the trim tab zincs, just looking at the ones on the port side. We're going to look at the one transom zinc now. Alright, going to look at the lift on the port side and show you both of those anodes. Alright, while I'm back here to get you one more video, I'm going to show you your stern thruster because I don't see any anodes on it and it does seem kind of loose. Okay. I'm going to go measure your shafts and look for any other anodes.